Alright, to start, we're going to create a new Unity project. We'll just call this Infinite World Generation Test. And then we're going to go ahead and delete tutorial, input, and readme here. Open up your folder. Go ahead and paste the thing in. Extract it, just so that we don't have a duplication. I'm just going to go ahead and move this over here, delete that. And in our scene, we're going to go ahead and create a new game object. Don't care what it's called. Let's go ahead and add a setup scene, and that'll automatically set up the scene. Hit import TMP essentials, and go ahead and delete the game object that we just made. Go ahead and add a layer, and we're going to call that ground mesh, capital G, capital M, no spaces. And then go to edit, project settings. In physics, we're going to go ahead and do physics settings, and we're going to disable water and default, and that'll keep the player from walking on water. We're going to go to player, and we're going to scroll down a little ways here to configuration, input, active input handling. We're going to go ahead and do both and hit apply, and that'll have Unity restart. Now that we're all restarted, let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, all right, there we go. So, should work just fine. Hit F to enter fly mode, and that works kind of like the inspector where you use Q and E to go up. Middle click to move the camera. Shift to run or go faster. And then when we click, we can see we can remove from the grid, or we can also right click to add to the grid.